here with Daryl from Arista Spray today, and we're wanting to share the love about all things spraying dining tables. To start off, we thin the paint down with 10% of water, which was about 1 litre in our case. The great thing about this is you won't void your manufacturer's warranty, generally speaking.
We have little...
So you go from here to there, then you turn over, and you go from here up to there.
Okay.
Daryl recommends a 50% overlap with each spray, ensuring a really nice even coat. The first coat is a tack coat, so it is super light and dries really quickly. You're then able to follow shortly after with the wet coat or the top coat.
Too wet, you're going a little bit too far forward. Come back and have a quick look. There, a bit dry.
Yep, in that part there.
Yep. Go right across again.
So always keep an eye out for dry spots, as they'll leave you with a patchy and uneven coat. It was completely ideal for me to have Daryl watching from the side, because it can be really hard to see through the fogged up safety glasses. After the first half was done, we switched sides, moving back along the other half of the table, ensuring to keep it even with that 50% overlap.
It's not going wet enough because you can't see.
I can't see.
Yeah, so
I can't see.
Can't see. Let's go wetter. A little bit closer and wetter. A bit slower.
Now, if you need to know how to prep these spray guns, click the link in the comments below and you'll be able to see exactly what you need to do to get to this point.
I'm getting kill point cramp.
Alright, keep going. Beautiful.
Do I pass?
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see my latest design and reno inspiration. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official or click the link in my description. See you soon.